Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Funding Pips Discord. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. Then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside your account, you need to simply click on the option of settings. Then among the given settings options, simply click on the option of Discord. Now over here you will find the option of Discord, so you can connect your Discord account in order to receive the trade alerts and the community updates. So simply click on the option of connect Discord. This way you will be landed on the discord.com, where if you have already logged into your account, you will be shown the invite pop-up. So you need to simply click on that and you will be able to join the Discord server of Funding Pips. If you are not already signed in or logged in, you need to first of all provide your login credentials and then log in into your account, and then you need to follow the same process again. You can also separately search for Funding Pips Discord server here in the search bar, and then you are going to see a bunch of different invite links. So you need to simply just click on them and simply provide your name, your date of birth, and you can basically create your account. You can also log in here and then simply click on the option of invite in order to basically join the Funding Pips Discord server. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.